Start the day with a song. It's really good for you. It's just what the doctor orders when there's a lot to do. You will find that you won't mind your daily grind if you sing a pretty little ditty. Though the day may be long, you never will go wrong. Rocky Monkey and Yoki, just start the day with a song.
Remember Simba. Everything the light touches is our kingdom.
Alas, poor Simba. I knew him well. Ha 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 ha.
That's not funny, you asswipe.
Says you son of a bitch.
Next sign!
You're no fun anymore, Dave.
This office will not tolerate redundancy in this office. I saw the sign maker this morning, reaching for his unemployment check. Ha 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 ha.
Do regular dogs see police dogs and think, oh no, it's a cop?
Must be from the K9 department. All police dogs be on the lookout for Spuds McKenzie's ghost. Seen in a Super Bowl ad. Call the Ghostbusters.
Lame!
Not lame.
Don't deny the fact that it was lame.
Sheesh.
Shush the sheesh.
Warning, it is a federal offense to disturb, harass, or molest seals. Stay well back from the seals.
K.I.B., your seal is broken. Bag, swah, 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 raffle, 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 raffle.
Sex. Now that we have your attention, no shirt, no service.
This place has been sued by the Bear Chest
Emporium in this area. They're the sheriff and deputy of this county. Ha 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 ha.
Seniors.
where the deer and the elderly play. Ha 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 ha.
Every time you make a typo, the errors win.
So that's why Trump imposed that travel ban. Ha 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 ha.
Terrorists, not errorists.
Sorry.
Wendy's. Our secret ingredient is our people. Now hiring.
2 Soylent Greens to go, please.
Sorry, we're out of Soylent Green.
Did someone just razz me?
Nobody's razzing you, Sam. That buzzer you heard means we are running out of time. Is your Rafflecopter ready, Sam?
Now that it's been refueled, it works better than ever. All aboard. We're taking off.
The producers of Funny Signs would like to remind you that during periods of inclement weather, a campfire ban is in effect.
Let's find the nearest motel, Dave.
I'm with you, Rhonda, and Sam will pick up the tab.
Hold herpes.